Hey guys, welcome to the video today. Let me guess. You meant to get to this yesterday, but someone needed a snack, the baby got into the toilet paper, and now you're staring at laundry piles that feel taller than your toddler. You're not failing, friend. You're just a mom, and you're not alone. Today I'm resetting our first floor, just one layer at a time. I started with laundry, then moved right into vacuuming. And yes, there's my toddler Jack. Never far away, he loves to help, and even though it usually means I redo a few spots, I've learned to embrace it. This is the season we're in, and honestly, these little interruptions, they're not getting in the way, they're the whole point. One thing I've trained myself to do, if something doesn't belong on this floor or in this room, I take the 30 seconds and put it all the way away. Not in a basket for later, because later, with little ones underfoot, rarely comes. And if I skip that step, I know I'll end up circling the same mess over and over and over. This simple habit has saved me from so much mental load, and honestly, it helps the whole house feel calmer. Mopping isn't glamorous, but it makes a difference. I don't do the whole house, just what I can, even if that's 5 sticky spots and a trail of crumbs. Jack usually brings a towel or tries to mop behind me. Sometimes he makes more of a mess, but I remind myself, I'm not just resetting the space, I'm modeling how we take care of it. Little eyes are always watching. This part, wiping walls and baseboards, it's where I slow down. Not because I have to, but because sometimes I need to. Motherhood is noisy. Cleaning is one of the only times my brain gets a bit quieter. And even when Jack is nearby with a toy train in hand, and another kid has a question every 5 seconds, there's something grounding about tending to this space with love and not pressure. When I finish a reset like this, it's never perfect. There's still fingerprints on the windows and the door. There's probably a forgotten sock under the couch, but I can breathe again. And for me, that's what homemaking is really about. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Overwhelmed Mom's Survival Kit. It's full of real life tools that I use every day, and reminders for moms just like you, who are tired, trying, and ready to feel just a little less behind. You're doing better than you think, and you've got this, Mama. Sending love from my home to yours. We'll see you next time.